Why?
Hey, okay. Chester, can you?
Or maybe it's just in the Shutterfly box.
No, if you can get on the other side of Weston, that'd be good.
It's just a gift you're giving.
To all three of us.
Oh.
Wait, what?
What's it say?
The certificate entitles the bearers to participate in one 5-year mission photo shoot.
Wait, what?
It's a photo shoot. You get, I don't know how much time, but you get to get a photo shoot with a professional.
Seriously?
Yeah.
This
Yeah.
is a Kickstarter thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, that was unexpected.
Yeah,
Thanks.
that was. Wow.
Weston, stand up.
That's what Mom was talking to Chris about.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chester, don't go away.
Oh.
There were only 2 of those photo shoots. I thought it'd be cool. Let me see. Okay, so I got you guys there on. I videoed that. Let me get you a picture now.